What is good? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today I'm on the Z on my way to Ty's house. Gonna go link up with him. It's been a minute since we hung out and worked on the cars together at his house. I know the last time you guys seen that we were out together was when we were up in the hills driving the Z, when he was test driving it and seeing how it felt to drive my car. But today I'm on my way to his house. Probably got like another 40 minutes on the drive because it is a long drive from Oakland to Sac, but it is what it is. We do what we can to bring you guys content, so we hope you guys enjoy it. But today we don't really got much going on. I got a few things to do on the car, and also Ty has a few things to do on the hatch, so you guys will know all about it once I get over there. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And I'll see you guys when I get over there with Ty.
Change your perspective. Bet y'all wasn't expecting that. He's here. The SI is here as usual.
Yeah, I got here and we started doing work.
He started doing work. I was washing the car before he got here.
Yeah,
damn, look at that bling bling.
Fucking hot as
there you go.
I already fixed the battery. I already fixed the steering wheel problem.
Or so he thinks.
So I think, until I drive it and it's fucking crooked again.
Yeah. Either he put the steering wheel on crooked or his toe is off, but I guess we'll find out when we start driving. Because if it's still, if the car starts not driving straight, then we know it wasn't the steering wheel.
Yes.
And then he just needs an alignment.
Yes, which I get him for free, so.
Yeah, because he a Firestone boy.
So it wouldn't be an issue. Nah, I just need to do oil change, fucking front spacers, and we gonna drop it. If we have time.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do because it's hot as hell out here.
It really is.
And ain't nobody trying to be outside
It's gonna be
right
like 85 today.
And we also gotta freaking gotta get a new another turbo feed line. I've been working on this thing diligently off camera, but I need a new freaking turbo drain. Finally got it all hooked up. I think I showed y'all this in another video, I can't remember, but we got it all hooked up. Well, I got it all hooked up, but the fitting was leaking because I manhandled the fuck out of it to get it back in here. And as you can see, I got all this slack down here, and there's also a lot of tension. So I figured I could get maybe an inch or two shorter, so it's not pushed, the front of this loop isn't pushed out as far, and then it'll be good. Just got to get some more oil, put some new oil in it, and then we could drop it, move it out the garage, and freaking get back to trying to tune this thing. Also did the fuel pressure, I replaced the inline fuel filter because that was clogged too. After I put new fuel lines on it, on the car, the old inline filter just like stopped working on me for whatever reason. So I ended up getting a new one, getting that put in. And yeah, so that's where the hatch is at. We made some progress. There's also a new battery because I fried the other one. Don't ask me how, because I'm not going to explain it. It's embarrassing. But anyways, that's what we got going on today. So, you know, stay tuned, hang in there. You finna give us a ricer flyby or what?
I'm fixing the fucking windows. Reset.
Yeah, resets like damn near everything if you leave it unhooked for too long.
Let me see.
Man, with his fancy automatic windows.
There we go. Fucking hell, you want a fucking ricer drive-by?
Whip it. Do a fat donut right here. No, don't do that. We're gonna get kicked out.
I'm finna see if his steering wheel is straight.
Okay.
Or should I do it because then it'll heat up the fucking oil again?
What you mean?
I'm trying to let this shit cool down before I do the oil change.
I mean,
kind of shit.
It ain't really gonna make a difference. You already turned the car back on.
Armpit sweaty monster.
Well, what we could do is we could go to Tognotti's right now, let your car cool off. We could come back, do the oil, and then you could check it.
Yes.
And then, okay. Let me, I'm gonna put all this crap back, and then we're gonna run to good old Tognotti's so I can get the rest of my stuff, and we will be back.
And we're back from Tognotti's. He got his fuel line. I'm about to start doing this shit. It's too damn hot, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So the way I'm thinking is I'm gonna do the spacers first. Ooh, start. I'm gonna do the spacers first, then the oil change. I'll do spacers and oil first since the front's gonna be jacked up, and then I'll do the rear to drop it some more. I'll probably drop it not that much again, but because then I don't want it to look uneven. There goes.
We got the goods. I got a 30.
And a 45.
Yeah, and this is the 45. This will come off the bottom of the turbo. This will go on the drain, or on the bottom side to the oil pan. So that way, this is facing a little further away from the turbo for heat reasons. And then, well, the exhaust manifold, and then this is the same as it's always been for the bottom. So hopefully, and we got to cut it. It's like we had it cut 2 inches shorter
than the previous line.
Yeah, than the other one. So for one, it's not all like super crazy bent up, and we still got the slack we need to route it away from the exhaust manifold. So I'll be putting these on while he's over here doing that.
Gotta do this shit. Gotta do this shit.
And I'll be in the shade.
Lucky for him, he'll get to be inside while I'm out here suffering at 80 plus. It's only gonna get hotter, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So, get back to you guys. We know that shit is crack-a-lacking. 27 1/4, so I'll probably drop it 3/4. So I could sit at 26 1/2. Cause then 26 is dead on tire. So if I do 26 1/2, I'll be literally like a 1/4 inch above the tire.
Yeah. And it's tucked in enough that you shouldn't rev or nothing. Because you don't really got no,
I don't got no shit back here.
I don't know why everybody doesn't do what they did with this 370Z and the fenders back here. Like, you don't never got to roll your fenders, nothing. I mean, you pull them obviously if you want some wider shit, but you don't gotta do shit, bro.
These are the new fronts with the spacers on.
Yeah, got the spacers on. Got some nice fitment.
That's nice.
That's super nice. I put this together. It was a pain in the ass. Had to get 2 more hands. This is about to go on. I still got to get some oil to put in this thing, because when I took the other line off, the oil drained out with some of it. I didn't have the car raised high enough, and I forgot. So, or well, when I moved it, oil came out. But I already started removing some of the turbo stuff. So I'm just gonna take this turbo off real quick, put the freaking fitting on, and then, or put the line on, mock it up real quick, make sure everything is proper. Uh-oh. Damn, son. Ooh, and it did not fall in the oil. Thank God. I dropped my $1,000 tool. Hopefully it didn't break. Don't sound like it. Okay, back to this. So yeah, once I have the line on, I'll show y'all what it looks like, and then discuss some more. And yeah, we'll be back. Hold on 1 second.
1 eternity later.
All right, so I got the line on. You can't really see from up here, but if you come down here, we can see we got a decent amount of space now between the manifold and the fitting, or the drain line. At first it was touching in between the it was like right in between this little spot here, which was very sketch. So we got it all hooked up now. Freaking now I just gotta freaking put some oil in it, start it, and make sure everything is good. So I'm gonna run and get some food and some oil. After this food is done, this full is done, and then we gonna start her up. I might start it up right now because it is still enough oil in it, but I don't know. I don't really like doing shit like that, so yeah, it's on. It took a lot. I screamed a few curse words.
I thought he done dropped the fucking car on himself.
Yeah, I almost wanted to.
Alright, I'm done with my shit. I just haven't dropped it because we about to show you guys. He's pouring the oiliskis up in the hachizis.
Getting her all lubed up.
Mm-hmm.
Because if she's dry, she'll die.
But he has the turbo, what is it? Drain line hooked up. Hopefully we don't have no issues no more.
Yeah, I should be able to start it right now.
We about to start it.
But we all know how that goes. Every time I say that on camera, it never starts.
Right, you guys see what happened last time. He said, oh, it's running. Let me show you guys. And then nothing happened.
Every time I start it off camera, it starts. Every time.
I'm about to secretly have the fucking GoPro tucked in, recording, so the hatch don't realize it. But
yeah, it gets shy all of a sudden.
about to show you guys this. I'm scared because I never had a low car, but it's still up in the air, and it's not that much room no more. So I know once I drop it, it's gonna be static, low. We're gonna be dragging everywhere. Oh, look at him. He said oil expensive right now. Let me get every
You
last
see
drop.
me, bro? Hey, look, that bitch empty in there. Y'all can't see, but it ain't shit in there.
He made sure he got last drop, just like with the gas. You gotta get every last drop off that goddamn pump.
And this shit's going in the trash after I'm done with it, because that shit's gross.
But waiting for him to do that so then I could drop the car and then we can show you and then we can see if the freaking hatch starts, if Comet's not shy and starts for
I'm
us.
gonna try to start this shit right now.
Oh, you about to start it right now?
Yeah.
We about to get it right now then. Get this shit running in. Let's get this shit running in.
Oh shit.
He's not shy. He's alive. So we got oil spills anyway.
No leaky leak, baby.
Let's go. She's alive, people. She's alive. Oh boy.
It's idling like shit because I had to.
Obviously, it's not all the way
tune and
perfect,
shit, yeah.
but
Because
we know it
I was
starts.
in the middle of trying to do that before I started fucking with everything else, so now I can tune it again. So once he's done with that, we'll be back in the shot at the garage.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I got new spark plugs and shit, so.
Now let's get to this other part of the video. So
Very nice.
cut to that. As you guys can see,
Let's see how hard you tucking.
I ain't gonna be tucking.
Nah, it's not gonna be tucking, but it's
We
you gonna be
sit
close. You gonna be real close.
We gonna sit low now.
My man got them Meg the Stallion knees
See these fucking
on the
thunder
concrete. Eventually we'll be twin turbo in this thing, you know. Rear mount, exactly. Rear mount twin turbo. You beat me to it. I was just finna say it. Your suspension is pretty stiff, that's why. Which is not a bad thing. It handles really nice. Oakland, the straight's not long enough.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Let's do it. Oh, nice.
Oh boy.
Yes. It don't look how it looked in person on camera.
Nope.
Trust me.
It's just.
But
It's there.
we got 2 fingers in there, y'all. So that should give you a general idea.
It's fucking there.
That's tight. It definitely looks lower on camera.
Yep. Time to rub everywhere.
No rubbing, you lucky bitch.
No, I'm talking about down there.
Oh.
All I'm here.
Nah, that ain't rubbing, that's scraping. There's a difference.
Same difference. But now I just gotta tie in the fucking.
He did it.
We
did it.
I got pressured, okay?
It wasn't me. I don't pressure nobody. Trust me.
I didn't want to. They made me. No, this way.
I don't pressure
really
nobody.
wanted to.
I just aggressively encourage. Anyways,
Oh, look what I just did.
what you do? Oh, this man's reckless. I don't even know if y'all can see that. I can't see it on this camera thing. Oh, there it go, right there. Damn, son. It's okay. It'll buff out. But yeah, this was a pretty successful day. I'm probably gonna do the tuning and crap for a separate video, because he might have to leave soon. But I'm probably still gonna set up the base map today, just so hopefully I could get it to the shop here in this next week or sometime within this next month or so. Ooh, look at this Ford. Very nice. But yeah, hopefully within the next month, I'll be able to take the hatchback to Horsepower Fab, have Cody fix the exhaust leaks, and she'll be off to get tuned. And after that, you already know it's gonna happen. So are we ending the video here? Okay, goodbye friends, thanks for hanging out.
Deuce. See you on the next one.